Dark spots, acne scars, and uneven skin tone can be frustrating. But what if I told you that you can treat hyperpigmentation right at home with natural remedies? In today's video, we'll share some simple and effective ways to help you fade those dark spots and get smoother, brighter skin. Let's start with one of the simplest treatments, honey and lemon. Honey is a natural moisturizer, while lemon has vitamin C, which helps lighten dark spots. To make this mask, just mix 1 tablespoon of honey with a few drops of lemon juice. Apply it to your face, especially on the dark spots, and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse off with warm water, and you'll notice brighter skin over time. Use this 3 times a week for the best results. Next up is aloe vera. Aloe vera has soothing and healing properties, making it perfect for hyperpigmentation. It also helps reduce inflammation and can lighten skin over time. If you have an aloe plant at home, just scoop out the fresh gel and apply it directly to the affected areas. Let it sit for 20 minutes before rinsing it off. You can do this daily for soft, clear skin. Here's a fan favorite, turmeric. This golden spice has amazing brightening effects and can reduce the appearance of dark spots. To make a turmeric mask, mix a pinch of turmeric powder with some yogurt or honey to form a paste. Apply it to the dark spots, leave it on for 15 minutes, and then wash it off. Be careful, as turmeric can stain your clothes, but it's worth it for clearer skin. While topical treatments are great, don't forget about hydration. Drinking enough water helps flush out toxins and keeps your skin healthy and glowing from the inside out. Make sure to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. This simple habit can do wonders for your skin and overall health. One more crucial tip: sunscreen. Sun exposure can make dark spots worse, so protecting your skin from harmful UV rays is essential. Make sure to apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with SPF 30 or higher every morning, even if you're staying indoors. It'll prevent new dark spots from forming and help fade the ones you already have. There you have it. These natural remedies, honey and lemon, aloe vera, turmeric, staying hydrated, and wearing sunscreen can help fade dark spots and brighten your skin with consistent use. Remember, consistency is key. Stick with these home remedies, and with patience, you'll start seeing results. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite skincare tips or any questions you may have. Let's say goodbye to dark spots and hello to beautiful, glowing skin.